Enjoy a wonderful walk through the heart of one of America's most gorgeous cities, Providence, Rhode Island. On this entertaining 2-mile stroll, you will explore magnificent architecture, learn interesting history, and pause in beautiful settings. Your day begins meeting up with your expert guide as you embark on a walking adventure. This tour will take you along rivers, through parks, and into charming neighborhoods. Along the way, you will learn a lot about this inviting and important city as you enjoy all the sights. You will see some of Providence's most iconic landmarks, such as the First Baptist Church in America, the Rhode Island State House, murals throughout the city, and much more. We hope you will join us. We would love to show you the city.